Hati-hati na ba ang iyong mga paa? Handa nang umalis, mag-iwaliw at lumarga. Buti na lang taga dito ka. Sing dami ng happening, ang dami ng isla. It's more fun in the Philippines.
This program aims to promote tourism in Western Visayas by offering the best destinations and experiences to domestic and foreign tourists alike. The campaign is designed to encourage intra-regional travel among the residents of the 6 provinces of Western Visayas, namely Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Iloilo, Guimaras, Negros Occidental,